Take your hands. Get
Never
off.
sneak up on someone holding a
Get
blowtorch.
off
I'll try to remember
your
that.
brother. Get off my arm.
Yes.
I just wanted to tell you that I checked on the baby and he's still asleep.
Thank you. Are you aiming to lose that finger?
Sorry. How long is this going to take?
What time does Colonel have to leave for the parade?
Why? Is this going to take all night?
This is a delicate operation. You don't just slap it back on with crazy glue. I don't have it ready in time. Now, excuse me.
What's going on out here? Hey, I had nothing to do with this.
Relax. Rachel did it.
Your mother and I did it.
Why?
Edward, it's past 1 o'clock. Why aren't you in bed?
Mom, I have to be home at 11. There's nothing in the rules about sleeping.
You know, Eddie, as long as you're up, I sure could use another pair of hands.
Okay. Can I use the torch?
No.
No.
I'll go and check and see if Carl is still sleeping.
Okay, Aunt Rachel. What do you want me to do?
Put these tools in the toolbox for me.